Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to stop auto download from WhatsApp, media file, video, document, or any type of file that is auto download into your phone gallery. Let me show you on how to stop it from WhatsApp. First thing first, open up your WhatsApp app. The next thing you want to do to go ahead and click on these three dots from the top corner. Then go ahead and click on settings. Then scroll down right here. Go ahead and proceed to storage and data. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. And then make sure you click on media auto download. Voice message are always automatically downloaded. Go ahead and click on here. And then you have all this being checked. If this all are checked, it means that each time you are receiving photo, it automatically download to your phone gallery. Then audio will automatically download to your phone gallery. Video will automatically download to your phone gallery, and likewise document. For you to disable them, just uncheck all these boxes. Just like so. Lastly, go ahead and hit on OK. And you are done. You can see no media right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about WhatsApp settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.